Hello, viewers, and welcome. Today we are looking at types of research. Research may be classified according to several criteria, most notably according to its application, its purpose, or its methodological approach. Each criterion illuminates a distinct dimension of inquiry. As these classificatory frameworks are neither exhaustive nor mutually exclusive, research categories frequently intersect and overlap. Now let's look at classification by application, classification of research by its application. The application dimension differentiates between research undertaken to advance knowledge for the sake of knowledge and research conducted to solve particular problems. Research which is undertaken to advance the frontiers of knowledge for the sake of knowledge is called basic or fundamental research. Its aim is to expand knowledge, develop theoretical frameworks, and advance scientific understanding without an immediate practical objective. Its primary concern is the generation of generalizable principles and theoretical explanations, thereby contributing to the broader corpus of knowledge. On the other hand, we have applied research, which is directed towards solving specific real world problems within organizational, social, or policy contexts. It seeks practical solutions, evaluates interventions, improves processes, and informs decision making. Consequently, it is closely aligned with professional practice and policy development. Now let's look at classification of research by its purpose. The purpose dimension addresses the question, what is the study or what is the research intended to achieve? Under this classification, we have what is called exploratory research. Exploratory research is undertaken when limited knowledge exists about a phenomenon. It is characterized by flexibility and open-endedness. It seeks to clarify concepts, identify relevant variables, develop operational definitions, formulate hypotheses, and refine research designs. Rather than testing hypotheses or propositions, it generates insights and directions for subsequent or future research. On the other hand, we have what is called descriptive research. Descriptive research addresses questions of what, who, where, and when. Its objective is to develop an accurate and systematic account of a phenomenon by documenting its characteristics, its prevalence, or its distribution. While it establishes patterns and trends, it does not explain causal relationships between variables. It is merely descriptive, hence its characterization as descriptive research. On the other hand, we have explanatory or causal research. This type of research seeks to determine why and how phenomena occur. It examines cause and effect relationships between variables. It typically employs experimental designs, inferential statistical techniques to test hypotheses and establish causality between variables. Research can also be classified according to its methodological approach. Under this classification, we have what is called qualitative research. Qualitative research focuses on meanings, experiences, perceptions, and social contexts. It works primarily with non-numerical data, such as words and images. It adopts an interpretive approach to understanding human behavior and social phenomena. Common methods associated with qualitative research include interviews, focus group discussions, observations, and document analysis. On the other hand, we have what is called quantitative research, which adopts a completely different approach from that of qualitative research. Qualitative research is concerned with the measurement and analysis of numerical data. It seeks to quantify variables, test hypotheses, and produce generalizable findings through statistical analysis. It makes use of surveys, experiments, and structured observations as its principal methods of inquiry. Then, lastly, we have mixed methods research. Mixed methods research integrates or combines or blends qualitative and quantitative approaches within a single study to achieve a more comprehensive understanding of a research problem. This approach is appropriate when neither the qualitative approach nor the quantitative approach alone is sufficient to address the research question fully. So that's it for today concerning types of research. We meet again next time on another subject relative to research. Thank you.